Look at that pink quad. Anyway, so what I'm doing right now is there was 4 bolts underneath and bolts for the exhaust. Real easy. There's the stuff. And then this came off of the main wiring harness, which is right here. See? Right there. And then this is off because there's no carb on it anyway. And then I gotta go over there to that side, and I have those bolts right there. I guess I could just take it off this engine hanger here, and I think there's another one down there. But and that'll remove this engine. And this guy right here is brand new. Let's go in there. We're gonna have a change of color, I guess, because that cover there is black. That one's like red, so I guess the red and pink is happening. But I said that I would get on here and you know, show you what I'm doing, check it out. This isn't gonna take me long at all. I went and got some 2-stroke oil and then fresh can, because I don't have a can for 2-stroke oil, so I might as well. Plus I have a chainsaw I have to work on. It's my own chainsaw. It's not a customer, it's mine. So that's kind of on a back burner till the fall when I can use it. But anyway, check this out. There's the blue one, and there's my donor vento right there. And soon they're going to be melded. You see how the seat's standing up right there? That's because the entire underseat is filled with new things for that bike. So just a little taste, a little flavor, but it needs some work. I'm gonna try to use as much of the stuff on it as possible. If I can repair stuff, I'll repair it. If I can't, then they still make it, so it's not hard to get. But I asked everybody on a couple pages online if they had some extra parts for it, because I'd rather give my money to a person than give my money to a company that cranks these suckers out. So, you know, if you watch me or anything, get a hold of me if you have this stuff. I'll take it off your hands for you. I need some body stuff. I need switches, you know, that kind of stuff. But I want the OEM things up there. And then, you know, that's it. I'm not asking for crazy stuff here, but I'm not even asking for free. If you got it for free, I'll take it. I'll even pay the shipping if you want to give it to me. But if you want to sell it at a decent price, man, let me know. I got some descriptions, and if you want to ask me questions about what I need, just go ahead and comment, and I'll let you know, and you can let me know what you got, and we can decide from there. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to work on this. Man, it's only gonna take me like a half hour. I think these things come out of the box running. I don't think they need much tuning, but then that chain looks okay. Everything looks good other than that. I'm gonna hook it back up for him and send it on its way. Anyway, later. Bye.